Okay, so I know this isn't my normal cat stuff, but my husband and I just got done redoing our hallway bathroom, and I'm really proud of how it turned out. I know it's not perfect, but I like a remodel video that's all in one part. So here's our bathroom and what we did. We still have some work to do on it, just a little bit, a couple pieces of trim and things, but overall, it's mostly done. I'm just saying, I put those floors down. I'm really proud of myself. My knees did not like me for a little bit. And here's the final walkthrough of how we did. I think I still want to do the shower stuff in black also, so that's on the list. I also used this opportunity to go through my bathroom closet, and the oldest medicine I found was from 2013. And look, my wall's even impressed with me. Thanks, wall. Bye.